Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a quick and easy coleslaw recipe. Most of the stuff you probably already have at home and you can just whip it up in a matter of 5 minutes. So if you're interested in seeing how to make this coleslaw recipe, then keep on watching. So basically what you'll need is a carrot, some cabbage, some mayonnaise. We're using Miracle Whip. Usually brown sugar is used, but today we're gonna try it out with some stevia, a lime, black pepper, and some white vinegar. Okay, so we're just gonna peel the carrot. So we're just going to grate the carrot, and this is what it should be looking like when you grate it. So I'm going to finish grating the rest and then I'll come back when we're ready to do the cabbage. So this is what it looks like once the carrots and cabbage are shredded. So we're going to add in some mayo. I would just say play it by ear. Mix it in and then see if you need more or less. Some people like to have creamy coleslaw, others like to have more of a dry coleslaw. I like dry coleslaw over creamy. I'm just gonna mix it. I think that's good. I wouldn't want to add any more. Okay. So we're going to add some stevia, just a little. Use about this much. Actually, I might use a little bit less than that. I think that's enough. The stevia is really sweet. And then we're going to use some black pepper. Just a little shake. And then some vinegar. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of vinegar. And then just mix it all around. And that's basically it. So all you have to do is pop it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and then you're good to go. So this is it, guys. So here's the jerk chicken. There's a video on my channel about this. Here are the rice and peas. And there'll be a video on my channel about this as well. And the coleslaw.